Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question is subsequence. Okay, simply all we have to do is just to count characters for each string s and t and check if t has all characters of s. But the problem is there is an order to find the characters. So in this case, we need to find a in t at first. And the next character we must find is b at the position after a. The last character is c at the position after b. So that is kind of challenging part of this question. So it might be tough to use simple hash map or set because they don't have order of data. Yeah, actually, we can solve this question with hash map, but it's going to be tough, right? So that's why I just thinking about the solution with very simple example like this. So S equal ABC and T equal ABC. So in this case, if we check each character one by one in the both string from the beginning, we can return true. And this simple example gave me a hint to solve this question. So I realized that if I have the same index number as length of s after I iterate through all characters, so I can prove that I have a subsequence in t. So that means, so we start from and a, and they are same, right? So that's why move next and move next. And we find the b and b, so they are same, so move next and move next. And we find C and C, right? So, and then move next, and then we finish iteration. So this is index 3, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 is equal to length of S, right? Length of S is 3. So that's why in this case we should return true. So let's see the false case. So like A, B, C, and T should be, let's say, A, B, D. So in this case, so we start from A, so they are same, right? So move next and move next. So B and B, they are same, right? So that's why move next and move next. And now uh, we pointing C in S, and we are pointing D in T. So they are different, right? In that case, we don't move pointer for S. We just move pointer for T. And then now this pointer is out of bounds, right? So that's why we stop iteration. So let's look at this pointer. So index is 0, 1, 2, right? And so we stop index 2, and the length of S is 3, right? So they are different. So that's why we don't find the subsequence in T. So in this case, we should return false. Okay, so let's recap what I said with this example. So we start from index 0 and index 0. So let's compare both characters. So A and A, right? So in that case, we move pointer for S to next. And every time pointer for T move next. And then we find B and H. They are different, right? So in that case, only pointer for T move next. And then we find B and B. So they are same, right? So in that case, this pointer move next, and this pointer always move next. And the next character is C and Z. So they are different, right? So in the case, this pointer move next, and next C and D. So they are different, right? So that's why only this pointer move next. And we find the C and the C. So they are same, right? In that case, this pointer move next, and then this pointer move next. And now our 2 pointers are out of bounds, so we finish iteration. So all we have to do is check current index is equal to length of S. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So we stop 3, right? So 3 is equal to length of S, 3, right? So that's why in this case, we should return true. Yeah, so that is a basic idea to solve this question. So let's jump into the code. Okay, so let's write the code. First of all, create 2 pointers, S pointer equal T pointer equal 0. And then let's iterate through one by one. While S pointer is less than length of S, and T pointer is less than length of T. So in the case, we continue. So if S and S pointer equal T and t pointer. So if we find the same character, so in that case, so s pointer move next. And then, as I told you, t pointer always move next. And after that, just return s pointer is equal to length of s. So in the case, we should return true. If not, we should return false. Yeah, so let me submit it. Yeah, looks good. And the time complexity of this solution should be order of n, where n is a length of longer string between s and t. So this is because this code iterates through both strings exactly once, and each iteration involves constant time operation. So that's why. And the space is O1. We don't use an extra data structure, just simple variable, SP and TP. Yeah, so that's all I have for you today. So please support me with your actions such as comment and hitting like button. I'll see you in the next question.